Today we are diving into the world of Adobe Photoshop to create a teal and orange color grading effect. Before we get started, check the description below for the image links. Now let's jump into Photoshop. Click on Adjustment Layers and select Channel Mixer. Follow these steps to achieve the teal and orange color grading effect. Once you have made the adjustments, don't forget to compare the before and after by clicking on the little eye icon. Now, select the channel mixer layer and change the blending mode to lighten. Awesome! Now, head back to the adjustment layers, but this time we are adding selective color. Check out these settings on the screen. After making these changes, click on the eye icon to compare the before and after once again. In the final step, add a vibrance adjustment layer and adjust values as per requirement. Perfect. Now let's apply the same effect to another image using the shortcut method. For that, navigate to the Windows menu and choose Actions. In the Actions panel, click on this icon and select Load Actions. Here, select your saved action file which you downloaded from the link in the description and click Load. Now, in the Action panel, select the action and click on Play. This will automatically apply the effect on your image. As per the requirement of an image, you can adjust vibrance values. And there you have it, a teal and orange color grading effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to write in the comments and let me know if there is anything else you would like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.